Hello, my name is Adya Gupta and I've been a part of DQ since 2020. I've been preparing for NATA and I got my marks. I scored 143 in NATA and 97.6 in my boards. And I'm joining CEPT to pursue architecture. DQ Labs has really helped me understand what designing is, because before, when I sketched, it was more about looking at a good picture and trying to uh, put that out on paper. But through DQ Labs, I understood the basics of sketching, and it really helps. And I'd like to tell all of you to attend each class, because it's a new learning experience in each class, and yeah, it's a great experience to be a part of DQ. They're really helpful. They clear all your doubts. The revision sessions are very good. The modules are very good. And I request all of you to do the modules and the tests that are there on the website and make full use of it. Thank you.